Hi there, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete setup of the dynamic org chart extension for Zoho CRM, step by step. Let's get started. Once you installed the extension from Zoho Marketplace, click Install to add it. After installation, you'll be taken to the extension settings page to manage org chart configurations. To create a new chart, click the plus module setup button. First, select a standard module like contacts or accounts, then choose a lookup field like reporting to define the hierarchy. Select up to 5 layers and click Next. Design your node card layout by choosing fields like name, title, or phone number, and arrange them as needed to appear in the chart. Click Next to continue. Next is the optional hover card layout. It lets you show extra fields like email, title, or address fields when hovering over a node. These don't appear on the card. Click Add Config to save. Now that your setup is ready, open a record from the configured module. On the detail page, click the org chart button to launch the widget. You can zoom in, zoom out, and switch between vertical and horizontal layouts. Hovering over a node reveals the extra fields you added earlier. Click any node to view full record details in the side panel. In the chart, click the Export PDF button to download the current view as PDF. Click Expand to show the next sublayer of clicked node, and Minimize to go back to the previous layer. Now, you can personalize each node's appearance using color configuration. Click the gear icon in the Node Template section. In the color modal, first choose a field, like status or department. Assign specific background colors for each value, such as green for active, red for inactive, or any color that fits your use case. Switch to the Border tab to configure the node's border color using the same logic. Once you're done, click Save. You'll see the color changes directly on the nodes in the chart. Go back to the settings page and click plus module setup again. This time, select a custom module. Choose the lookup field for the parent relationship, just like before. Pick the number of levels to display, and click Next. Set up the node template, color configuration, and hover template just like we did earlier. Then click Add Config to save. To view the chart in a custom module, you need to manually add a widget. First click the 𝗗𝗶𝗿 URL. Go to the custom module settings, and create a new button under Button Actions. Choose to create a new external widget. And paste the org chart base URL from your extension settings. Save the widget and assign it to the button. Now, go to your custom module and open a record. Click the new org chart button you just created. The widget will open and display the relationship tree using your custom configuration, complete with colors, card layouts, and hover fields. To make changes to an existing module setup, return to the settings page. Click the edit icon next to the configuration you want to modify. All your previously selected values will be pre-filled, just update what you need. Click Add Config to save. Now, you can see the updated changes reflected in the chart for the configured module. To delete a configuration, click the trash icon. Confirm your choice, and module the setup will be removed from your CRM. That's it. With Dynamic Org Chart for Zoho CRM, you can build real-time, fully customizable hierarchy charts for any module in your CRM. Thanks for watching.